Good afternoon, everyone, from Covington, Kentucky. Maybe asking, what are we doing in Covington? Something that all of y'all may remember from your childhood. There's not many of these left. Lee's famous recipe. It's right there behind us. So we're headed up to Cincinnati for a guy's trip. Got dad and brother with me today. We had to make a stop first in Covington to get some Lee's. Growing up, we had mostly Miss Winters near us, but you know, Miss Winters is owned by Lee's. They bought it out, Lee's bought out Miss Winters a long, long time ago. Pretty much similar recipes. Best potato wedges you'll ever have in your entire life. Fantastic chicken. I remember going, now, I don't think they have the cinnamon rolls at Lee's, but Miss Winters had the cinnamon rolls. Those cinnamon rolls, world famous. And man, we ate so much good chicken at these places growing up. It's just nostalgia. And I just love being right here underneath the Lee's chicken sign. If you look at the building too, it's that old school building. It's so original and so cool. Actually, there's an alien behind us too. If you look down the street right here, straight down there, see it? There's an alien. Aliens love chicken too. So you can see an alien and get some Lee's chicken, but it's just awesome being right here. I can smell the chicken now. So join us for some childhood memories, some nostalgia, and some Lee's chicken. Let's head inside. Lee's chicken strips. Lee's killer special. Is it Halloween right now? Only $6.99. Every Monday, 3-strip meal. Every Wednesday, 3-piece chicken dinner. I love the look of this building. This look is just like childhood right here. It's a beautiful area here through the downtown area. Very historic. It's a cool downtown area out here. And then there it is. There's Dad nerd right over there and brother. Look at that. Hey Dad, you ready for some Lee's chicken?
Oh, let's go, man. Lee's chicken.
Oh, I can't wait. Lee's famous recipe. Even the doors are the same color I remember as a childhood. Everything is the same. Lee's famous. I'll open the door. Thank you, good sir. Thank you, good sir. Oh yes. Here we go. Look how cool this place is right here. Oh, look at the old chicken. Chicky Lee, look. It's cool. How you doing? Look at that, look at the sign over here. It's just awesome to be inside Lee's. I know y'all are familiar with the menu here, but there it is. They got the oven roast classic, they got the spicy, they got the original. Oh, wow. Look at the famous sweet tea down here, and then jalapenos in there. I remember there used to be a jalapeno jar that used to be at the old Miss Winters. Look at this right here. Famous since 1966, 50 years. We have ordered and we have got our food. So you know this is going to be so good. So Christopher, what did you get there, bud?
Baked beans,
chicken breast,
yeah.
And the old biscuit there. I went with the original tenders, which I used to love. There's those famous potato wedges. If you can find a better one, let me know, because you can't. The best potato wedges ever. And that one with the spicy tenders. We're actually going to share our tenders a little bit here. But there we go. Lee's famous recipe. Oh yeah. I just tried my first few bites of chicken. Spicy. Not really spicy, but it's good. But look at that. Just that original crispy Lee's famous recipe. Fantastic. The wedges, just like I remember them, so good. I mean, this is childhood right here. Like, we grew up in Lee's, especially Miss Winters more than Lee's, but you can't find better chicken or wedges. I know a lot of y'all watching will remember this from your childhood, but this is nostalgia, childhood memories right here. Dad, nerd, what do you think?
Oh, it's great. Everything is good. The food's good. It's childhood memories.
As you look around the restaurant, you'll notice some of the cool and old photos. Famous recipe, fried chicken. It's honey dipped. What's for supper? Long yard poultry. This place is awesome. I remember so much decor and so much like similar styles growing up. Famous recipe fried chicken. The head on left, 3 miles. We were walking around looking at different things and then came across this right here. Lee's circa 1980s. Look at that. Family packs, dinners, luncheons, other items. They had the jalapeno peppers on there. I used to eat those growing up all the time with Dad. Oh man, so many good little items on the menu at such good prices. That's awesome right there. I love this sign right here. I really need to get this sign, take it home with me. Lee's Famous Recipe sign. The old famous recipe. Sadly, our meal is over, but I want to show you this one more time. The Chick-E-Lee. Oh, wow. That is just one of the coolest photos I've ever seen. I just love that. You see the chicken, Dad? I love this picture right here. Got the old chicken and Chick-E-Lee. I think that picture needs to go home with you, Dad. Frame it and put it in your house. See that, brother nerd? Chick-E-Lee. So one last look around. We're heading out, sadly. Famous since 1966. Back in the car, and wowzers. That's all I can think of right now. Lee's Famous Recipe Chicken. Loved it so much. Got some Lee's to go. Look at the box, y'all. I love it. The box is really cool. And I mean, if you're watching this, you already know from your childhood or growing up how good this place is. Still to this day, my favorite potato wedges of all time. I don't know what it is about them, but it's like that original recipe kind of crust you get at KFC, kind of on the potato wedges. The only thing I think of it as. But it's just such good potato wedges. Biscuits were great and hot, and put the butter on them. Oh, so good. They had little jalapenos up front. That's something I remember. Dad and I both have heartburn problems nowadays, probably because of this too. But we used to always go to Miss Winter's or Lee's, and they'd have the jar of jalapenos. Remember that, Dad?
Yep.
The jar of jalapenos is a glass jar with a little metal silver top on there, sit on the counter, and you would get them for like a 25 cents or something. You get a big old jalapeno, and those things were so good. But this place is awesome. Chicken fresh, fantastic. Staff was nice. Just really enjoyed it. Just brings back some good memories. Dad, what'd you think back there?
Very good. It was like just tasted like it used to, and everybody needs to go to Lee's.
There you go. Go to Lee's. So Lee's Famous Recipe Chicken and Strips. And this is in Covington, Kentucky. So actually head up to Cincinnati. You'll have a video come up from Cincinnati. I'm going to the Reds game up there. Rock City Trash Pandas. Angels are in town.
Go Reds.
Well, there's one less person ride with me in a few minutes. But this is literally right the last exit before the bridge going over to Cincinnati is where Covington is. And nice little area. It's like a little historic downtown. There's an alien down the street. So it's a nice, cool little area. Historic, old, and just neat. Like a whole lot of old buildings and everything. It's pretty cool. So we're going to head off, clear out the video now. But yeah, just go to Lee's. That's all I can tell you. Let's go to Lee's. And we need to get Miss Winter's Lee's back in Nashville, Tennessee. I would eat it every week, literally every week. But that being said, thank y'all for joining us on a piece of my childhood, something I remember growing up, something I loved growing up. Mom and Dad lived like 2 miles away from a Miss Winter's. It was amazing. Lee's was down the street too. It was so good. Are you laughing at me, Dad? What are you laughing at?
We're just talking about you.
Oh, this is just a great childhood moment here. But that being said, everybody's laughing at me, but I am full of Lee's. I don't care, you know. With that being said, the nerds are
Out.
out. You gonna say out too?
Out.
Out. 3 outs. The nerds are out.